Hi everyone, let's see your first question. See what they have given. A, B and C run simultaneously starting from a point around a circular track of length 1200 meters. Let's suppose this is the circular track of 1200 meters and they have given speeds as 2 meter per second, 4 meter per second, 6 meter per second and A and B run in same direction while C runs in opposite direction. So, they have given here there are three persons A, B and C and where A and B are running in one direction and C is running in opposite direction. Okay, and they have given speeds as A 2 meter per second, B as 4 meter per second and C as 6 meter per second. Now, let us suppose there is another track of same length 1200 meters and there are only two persons A and C. See here, there is person A here running in this direction with 2 meter per second and there is person C running in opposite direction with 6 meter per second. Now, let us calculate time where A and C meet for the first time. We know that time is equals to, what is the distance here? 1200 by relative speed. A and C are opposite, so 6 plus 2, 8. 1200 by 8 is nothing but 150 seconds. So, for every 150 seconds, A and C will meet. Okay. Now, let us suppose there is another track 1200 meters where only B and C are present. So, B is moving in this direction with 4 meter per second and C is moving in opposite direction with 6 meter per second. Now, let us calculate time taken for the first time where B and meet C for the first time, B and C. Okay. Distance how much? 1200 by opposite direction 6 plus 4, 10. So, 1200 by 10 which is 120 seconds, means for the first time they will meet after 120 seconds and for the next 120 seconds they will meet again. Okay. Now, we have to find the time where A, B, C meet for the first time. So, we have to simply calculate LCM of time where A and C meet for the first time and time where B and C meet for the first time. Now, tell me why we are calculating LCM here. Let me explain. See, what is the meaning of this A and C 150 seconds? Nothing but for every 150 seconds A and C meet, means for the first 150 seconds, for the first 150 seconds after A and C meet and after 150 seconds again, next 300 seconds again they will meet and the next 450 seconds again they will meet and after 600 seconds next 750 and so on. This is the time track where A and C meet. Now, let us build the time track where B and C meet. See, for the first time they will meet after 120 seconds, for the next 240 seconds again they will meet, again next 360, 480 again they will meet and next 600 and 720. So, this is the time track where B and C meet. Now, observe here, after 600 seconds A and C meet, again after 600 seconds B and C meet. So, from this we can say that this is the time where A, B, C meet for the first time, right? So, that is what we have doing here. So, LCM of time A and C meet for the first time is 150 seconds, time where B and C meet is 120 seconds. So, LCM of 150 and 120 is nothing but 600 seconds. So, we can also write 600 seconds as 10 minutes, which is option number 2 here. Let us hear next question. See this question here. Before solving this question, let me tell you one thing. I think you already know about this. A to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a to the power of mn and a square minus b square is equals to 8 plus b multiplied with a minus b. Okay, we will use both these formulas for solving this. Okay, they have given x minus 1 by x as square root of 6 and we need to find the value of x to the power of 8 minus 1 by x to the power of 8. Now, see here, I can write this x to the power of 8 minus 1 by x to the power of 8 as x to the power of 4 whole square minus 1 by x to the power of 4 whole square, right? See, a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a to the power of mn. So this is in the form of a square minus b square, right? So I can write it as a plus b, which is x to the power of 4 1 by x to the power of 4 and x to the power of 4 minus 1 by x to the power of 4. So now see this again, x to the power of 4 minus 1 by x to the power of 4. I can write it as x to the power of 4 1 by x to the power of 4 as it is. So this can be written as x square whole square minus x square 1 by x square whole square. See, a power of m whole to the power of n, a power of m1, which is 4. Now x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 multiplied with a square minus b square, again a plus b, which is x square plus 1 by x square, and a minus b, x square minus 1 by x square, again I can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so this is the value of x to the power of 8 minus 1 by x to the power of 8. So what are the values we want here? X plus 1 by x and x square plus 1 by x square and x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4. Now as we all know that if x minus 1 by x is equals to k, then we know that x plus 1 by x is equals to square root of k square plus 4. Okay, remember this formula. Okay, so x minus 1 by x they have given as square root of 6. So we need to find x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x is nothing but k square, means square root of 6 whole square, 6 plus 4. So x plus 1 by x is nothing but square root of 10. Okay, now we want x plus 1 by x square. So if x plus 1 by x is square root of 10, we know that x square plus 1 by x square is nothing but square root of 10 whole square minus 2, right? So we get a value as x square plus 1 by x square, square root of 10 is square root of 10 whole square is 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. So x square plus 1 by x square value as 8. Similarly, what is the value we get here? X power 4 plus 1 by x is 4. If x square plus 1 by x square is 8, x power 4 plus 1 by x square is 8 square minus 2, which is 64 minus 2, 62. Okay, we got x power 4 plus 1 by x power of value as 62. Now substitute in these values. So in order to get x to the power of 8 minus 1 by x to the power of 8, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 how much? 62 multiplied with x square plus 1 by x square value 8 here, and x plus 1 by x value square root of 10 here, and x minus 1 by x value, which is they have given square root of 6 here. We know that 62 multiplies with 8 how much? 480 plus 16, which is 496, multiplied with square root of 10 can be written as square root of 2 into square root of 5, square root of 6 can be written as square root of 2 into square root of 3. See here, square root of 2 multiplied with square root of 2, we get the value 2 here, and 2 multiplied with 496, we get the value as 992, and square root of 5 multiplied with square root of 3 how much? Square root of 15, which is the value of x to the power of 8 minus 1 by x to the power of 8, which is option number 3 here. Let's see our next question. See this question here. This question can be done in two ways. One is allegation method and another is normal method. So let us see first allegation method. See what they have given. Suhani pays tax 30% on her entire income of 90,000 and Ritika pays tax 40% on her entire income Y. If overall tax on their combined income 37%, they asked us to find Ritika's income. See, Suhani 30% tax, Ritika 40% tax, combined 37% tax. See here, 37 minus 30, 7%, and 40 minus 37, 3%, and they have given Suhani's income as 90,000. They asked us to find Ritika's income. See here, 3 times 3, 4 zeros. So 7 times 3, 21. 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 2,10,000, which is option number 4. Now let us see the normal procedures here. So here they have given Suhani's income as 90,000 and tax 30%. Ritika income as Y, tax as 40%. So they have given 37 combined tax of from the both the incomes of Suhani and Ritika. Okay, so if we get the equation here, tax of 30% from 90,000 of Suhani's income plus 40% of tax from Ritika's income, which is Y, equals to combined tax from both the incomes of Ritika and Suhani, which is 90,000 plus Y. So if I get one more step, 30% of 90,000 plus 40% of Y implies 37% of 90,000 plus 37% of Y. See here, 40% of Y, 37% of Y means 3% of Y. 37%, 30% means 7% of 90,000. So percentage gets cancelled. Again see here, 3 3s and 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. So again 7 multiplied with 3000 means, which is 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 2,10,000, which is option number 4 here. Let's hear next question. See this question here. Here they have given Ram sells a suitcase to Mohan at a 20% profit. So here is Ram and here is Mohan. He sold a suitcase for 20% profit. Okay, and Mohan sells it to Shyam at a 40% profit. So there is one more person, Shyam here. So Mohan sold it the same suitcase for 40% profit. So they said if Shyam pays 1430 rupees, means final price is 1430 rupees. They asked at what price Ram bought in, means initial price, which is they asked us to find cost price. So here there is a cost price and 20% and 40% are profits. So effective change how much here? So 20 plus 40 plus 20 multiplies with 40 by 100 only, right? So 20 plus 40 is 60, 20 into 40 is 800, 800 by 100, 8. So 60 plus 8, 68% is the effective change here. Means for example, if 100 rupees is the cost price, so the final selling price is 168 rupees. So this 168 rupees they have given as 1430. They asked us to find 100 value. So 168 rupees they have given as 1430. So we need to find the value for 100 here. So it's nothing but 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 7s, 2 1s, 2 5s. So finally we need to calculate 715 by 84 into 100. So see here, 84, 8s how much? 640 plus 32, which is 672, right? So 715 minus 672, which is 43, right? So 43, if I take point here, it will become 430. So see here, 84 5s how much? 420, right? So 8.5. So until that if you do, you will get the answer here. If I 8.5 multiply with 100, which is 850, right? Approximately 850. So only one option, which is 850 above. So which is option number 4 here. Let's hear next question. See this question here. Here they have given a sum of money invested at a certain rate of interest per annum amounts to 14,522 in 7 years, 18,906 in 11 years. So they asked us to find sum invested, which is principal. Now tell me what is 14,522 here? which is nothing but principal plus interest of 7 years, right? Because they said amounts to, means this is the amount, so which is nothing but principal plus 7 years of interest. So 18906 how much? Means what is 18906? Principal plus 11 years of interest, right? So if I subtract principal plus 7 years of interest from principal of 11 years of interest, what do I get here? Principal gets cancelled and 11 minus 7, I'll get 4 years of interest, right? Which is 18906 minus 14522. See here, 6 minus 2, 4. 90 minus 52 how much? 8 and 30, 38. 18 minus 14 how much? 4. So this is the 4 years of interest. So I want 1 year of interest. 1 year of interest is nothing but divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, means 4 tens 40, and 30 means 38, 4 nines 36, and 4 6 24. So this is the 1 year of interest. So they asked us to find the principal. You can calculate 7 years of interest and subtract from 14,522, or 11 years of interest from 18 sciences. So I'll calculate 11 years of interest because multiplication with 11 is easy, right? So 11 years of interest means 1096 multiplied with 11. See here, 6, 9 plus 6 15, 1 carry forward, 9 plus 0 9, and 1 10, again 1 carry forward, 1 plus 0 1, and 1 2, and here 1. So 11 C of interest is 125.6. So principal is nothing but 18906 minus 12056, which is nothing but 6 minus 6 is 0, 90 minus 5 is 85, 18 minus 12 is 6, which is 6850, which is option number 1 here. Let's see next question. See this question here. This police and thief concepts questions we already discussed in previous shifts videos, right? Now see here, a thief is spotted by a constable from 200 meters. So let's draw the diagram again. So here is a thief and here is the police, and the distance they have given as 200 meters. So they said when the constable starts the chase and the thief also starts running, speed they have given constable as 8 km per hour and thief speed as 6 km per hour. 6 km per hour and 8 km per hour. They asked how far is the distance be able to run before he was taken, means the distance traveled by thief they asked. So we know that in this kind of concepts time is constant. We discussed in previous videos, right? Time is constant. If time is constant, speed is directly proportional to distance, right? From the formula, speed is equal to distance by time. If time is constant, speed is directly proportional to distance. Now see here, here police, here thief, speed ratio, police speed is 8, thief speed is 4, so which is 4:3. If speed ratio is 4:3 and speed is directly proportional to distance, so distance ratio also 4:3, and they have given distance between police and thief as 200 meters. So here is one part which is 4 minus 3, one part they have given as 200 meters. They asked how much thief traveled, so 3 parts, question mark, 3 into 200, which is 600 meters, which is option number 3 here. Let's see next question. So that's all for the quant section of the shift, guys, and this is the reasoning question of the same shift. Do try this question and comment your answer, but please guys do like, share and subscribe to our channel, guys. Most people are not subscribed to our channel. So see you in the next reasoning video. Until then, take care, love you all.